In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Microsoft Word Docs and Google Docs. This is a useful skill if you often work with Word documents but prefer using Google Docs for its collaborative features or cloud accessibility. I'll guide you through this process in a simple step-by-step manner. To start off, you'll need to access your Google account. You can do this by navigating to the Google homepage and signing in. If you already have an account, ensure you're logged in. Once you're in your account, direct your attention to Google Docs by either downloading the app or accessing it through your Gmail account. For this video, we'll go directly into Google Docs, and you can do the same by visiting the Google Docs website. After opening Google Docs, you'll be greeted by a dashboard offering various options. Here you'll notice two main categories: start a new document and recent documents. Look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a small folder icon labeled Open File Picker. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new window with multiple tabs such as Recent, My Drive, Shared with Me, Starred, Computers, and most importantly for our task, Upload. Our focus today is on the Upload tab, which allows you to transfer your Microsoft Word document from your local device to Google Docs. Click on this tab and you'll find yourself ready to either browse files from your computer or simply drag and drop your file into the designated area. Locate your Microsoft Word document on your computer. You can click the Select a File from your device option or drag the file directly into the upload window. Now, even though the upload process is generally quick, do exercise some patience during this step. Larger files might take a bit longer than smaller ones, so just give it a moment. Once the file finishes uploading, Google Docs will automatically open the document, converting the Word file to a format that is compatible with Google Docs. And just like that, your Word document is now available in Google Docs. You can begin editing or sharing it with ease, taking advantage of all the collaborative tools Google Docs provides. Remember, by opening your document in Google Docs, you ensure access from virtually any device, anywhere, and at any time, so long as you have an internet connection. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing.